stormy winter winds. Vertiginous virgin, standing tall, how do I deal with you, if at all? Roaring, raging, whipping winds, do you cloak yourself where intruders fall? Twisting, splitting every tent, none do escape your violent rent. So I burrow myself deep in snow, proof against your virulent no. Do I sense a coming pause, or am I breaking all the laws that govern your eternal bulk, and make it proof against all folk? I wait out your unseasonable, month-early gale, while others strive to move, but only flail. By and by your storms relent, and provide me passage where none left had went. Did I overstep something unwary, closed to others by your boundary? But your tower and I have merged forever, so let none say that we were never.